This is a space maker microwave above a stove. Okay? Time, call, and reminder, full speed, popcorn beverage, eat. Time clock defrost, play start, 1 through 5, 1 through 0 limit, follow at 30 seconds, and spin it off. That's what you know. Instructions. Yeah, so this light works, and a fan.
And this,
No, wait. No. Wait, just honestly. I'm very cooking. I'm very fast cook. I'm very slow cook. I'm a half fast cook. Half fast cook. It's a joke. You say it? I'm not a fast cook. I'm not a
slow cook. I'm a half fast cook.
half fast cook. You're a half fast cook. On.
This, if I let go of this thing right here, I'm saying it's gonna fall.
Hold it. Open the microwave.
And this is what the microwave. This is what the microwave does. It's just not supposed to do that.
It's not supposed to spin this out. Right? It's open. Radioactive. No. It's not the light. It's these here. And the maintenance says, oh, that's perfect. It works fine. Yeah. How am I going to close it? How am I going to do this? Hold the top. Open it up again. How am I supposed to do that? Can you next to me? This is... Child lockout. Hold here or off for 3 seconds. Okay? And I see that is right now. That's popcorn. Ready? I'm going to take 1 ounce popcorn bag. Turns on a beverage for coffee. Coconut milk. 1 to 3 servings. Reheat. Pasta. Okay? There's pasta. Code 1. These. Code 2. Okay. So something's wrong with it. Okay. Over here. Defrost. But look at it. It's still going. And it doesn't matter what you have in there. And when you shut it, it does that. Hold it. Stop. This will fall off. Look. This fall off. It's not tight. It's very loose. Alright, it just slips on a little bit. And then hold it. Open the microwave up. No, hold it. Is that what you do, guys? You guys answer me a question. Is this microwave supposed to zap like this and cook food with it don't open? I mean, you know, I don't get radioactive, whatever. I'm not saying I'm gonna get bad radioactive future. I'm not gonna turn into a superhero. But dude, this is ridiculous, guys. Tell me what you think, please. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright? Alright. It's 1:30. It's not even noontime. 1:30. And this microwave, it does not work right. The maintenance says, oh, it's fine. It's supposed to be like this. I say, well, how many microwaves do you know when you open it? Do that. Not many, folks, okay? Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Please. Add my channel. Give your friend to my channel. Share this video with all your friends. Because this is not supposed to do this. I mean, I don't mind the fan vent. And I don't mind the seriously. Okay? What I don't like is it's part right is that the doors not closed. Okay, it's not supposed to do this. Please guys, again, This is the General Electric phone. General Electric, GE, okay? I'm surprised I'm gonna zap my phone right now. It's made in June 2005. Any year, made June 2005. It does this. It's not finished. You know, I mean, I don't understand. We got this one again, second hand, third hand even, and I don't understand why it does this. It spins, it says, I don't understand. It cooks food, open, I don't know. And this screen, right it is. The screen is not, it's not intended for just any of that. I take this off, yes. Is there that? Alright. This is zipper.
Babe, don't do that to you. That's food.
Alright. I'm trying. This is what it is. And is that supposed to be like that? No. It is not supposed to be. This is. Alright. This is the model of it again. And this is the food spoon. And then this is the, okay.